Workshops in the Macedon Ranges are really fantastic. It provides an opportunity for people to come and experience what it would be like to make something like this little three-legged stool in 3 days, all the way through to 7 and 8 day chair making classes, charcuterie classes, bread making classes, spoon carving, you name it. There's a great variation of classes for pretty much for everybody and everything you can imagine.
They will distort. The thinner it is, the more it distorts.
Yeah. I think at the end of it they leave feeling like they've had a total escape, and hopefully it sparks in them an appreciation of what true handmade is.
And not spill out over the pie, yeah?
There's a real movement of people wanting to get a hands-on experience, a bit of authenticity, a bit of genuine hospitality, a bit of a real regional experience. And I think what's great about our region is that there's so much on offer.